In the competitive retail environment of Southlake, Texas, storefronts must stand out to attract potential customers. One of the most effective ways to enhance the visual appeal of your business is through custom commercial outdoor lighting. Whether you own a boutique, restaurant, or any other type of retail space, the right outdoor lighting design can significantly boost your curb appeal, increase foot traffic, and improve the overall shopping experience. Custom lighting allows you to highlight your storefront's best features and create an inviting atmosphere that draws customers in. Here's why investing in custom commercial outdoor lighting designs is a smart move for your Southlake storefront and how it can benefit your business. Attract attention and increase visibility. In a busy area like Southlake, it's crucial that your storefront stands out to passers-by. During the day, the physical appeal of your store is key, but after sunset, visibility becomes even more critical. Custom commercial outdoor lighting ensures your store remains visible at night, even in the dark hours when shoppers are most likely to explore retail areas. Strategically placed lighting can draw attention to your storefront from the street, highlighting key elements such as your windows, signage, or architectural features. Custom designs allow you to focus the light exactly where it's needed, ensuring your store catches the eye of pedestrians and drivers alike, enticing them to stop by and explore your offerings. Enhance your brand identity. Your storefront is a reflection of your brand, and every detail, down to the lighting, should convey the personality of your business. Custom commercial outdoor lighting designs offer the flexibility to match the aesthetic of your store and align with your brand's identity. Whether your brand is sleek and modern, rustic and charming, or sophisticated and elegant, your outdoor lighting can reinforce the image you want to project. For example, if you run a high-end restaurant, you might choose soft, warm lighting to create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. A trendy boutique might benefit from cooler, more vibrant lights that evoke a sense of energy and excitement. With custom lighting, you have the freedom to create a lighting design that speaks directly to your target audience and enhances your brand's story. Highlight architectural features. A major advantage of custom outdoor lighting is its ability to highlight architectural elements of your storefront. Whether your building features beautiful columns, intricate details, or attractive window displays, lighting can emphasize these features, adding dimension and visual interest. By working with a lighting designer, you can create a layout that accentuates the unique aspects of your storefront. For example, uplighting can draw attention to the upper levels of your building, while downlighting can illuminate entryways or awnings. When done correctly, custom lighting can create a dramatic effect that makes your storefront look more appealing and adds depth to the visual experience. Improve safety and security. Outdoor lighting doesn't just serve an aesthetic purpose, it also plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and security of your business. A well-lit storefront reduces dark areas where criminals may attempt to hide, making it harder for them to approach your building undetected. Additionally, lighting around entrances and parking areas provides a sense of security for your customers as they approach your store at night. Custom lighting can be tailored to your security needs, whether it's illuminating the parking lot, lighting up the perimeter of the building, or focusing on key entry points. This not only enhances the safety of your storefront but also creates a welcoming and secure environment for shoppers, which can increase customer confidence and loyalty. Energy efficiency and cost saving. While outdoor lighting can add to your monthly electricity costs, custom commercial outdoor lighting designs can help reduce energy usage. By selecting energy-efficient LED lights and incorporating motion sensors or timers, you can control when and how long the lights are on, ensuring that you're not wasting energy when it's not needed. LED lights consume much less power than traditional bulbs, making them an eco-friendly option that reduces your carbon footprint and lowers your energy bills. Additionally, custom lighting design can ensure that you're using just the right amount of lighting, enough to enhance your storefront without going overboard. Create a welcoming atmosphere. The right lighting can transform your storefront from a basic, functional space into a welcoming destination. Lighting has the power to set the mood and atmosphere of your store, making customers feel comfortable, relaxed, and inclined to explore. For example, soft, warm lighting creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while brighter, cooler lighting can energize the space and draw attention to specific displays. Whether you want to evoke a sense of tranquility, excitement, or sophistication, custom commercial outdoor lighting gives you the flexibility to create the perfect ambiance. This can encourage customers to linger longer outside your store and can even inspire them to come back for future visits. Increase sales with creative lighting features. Custom outdoor lighting designs also allow you to get creative with how you present your products and services. Spotlights can be used to highlight specific merchandise, while colorful lighting can make seasonal promotions stand out. Interactive lighting features, such as illuminated window displays or creative light installations, can capture attention and encourage customers to stop and engage with your brand. Incorporating lighting into your marketing strategy allows you to create a visually dynamic environment that attracts customers and boosts sales. A store that looks appealing and unique at night is more likely to get noticed, visited, and remembered, leading to increased foot traffic and sales opportunities. Conclusion. Investing in custom commercial outdoor lighting for your Southlake storefront is a smart decision that offers numerous benefits. Not only does it increase visibility, enhance your brand's identity, and create a welcoming atmosphere, but it also improves safety, reduces energy costs, and adds to the overall curb appeal of your property. Whether you're looking to make your store stand out, boost sales, or provide a safer environment for customers, custom outdoor lighting provides a stylish, functional solution. Work with a professional lighting designer to develop a custom plan that fits your business's unique needs, and watch your storefront shine, day or night. The right lighting design can make all the difference in how your business is perceived and help create a lasting impression on your customers.